Today we're celebrating the ribbon cutting for the brand new and improved Cincinnati Convention Center. Buildings like this are incredibly important because this really is the first impression that our visitors are getting of Cincinnati, of the state of Ohio, and we want that impression to be a positive one so that they turn that visit to be transformed into, I want to live in the state of Ohio.
We all understand the power that our transformed convention center will have to anchor a new era of growth in this district, to put us back on top when it comes to tourism, to attracting the biggest events and opportunities from around the nation and the globe.
When you get the right team in place, you can get enough energy to go around doing a project of this magnitude, and you're seeing that happen here in the Cincinnati area. That's why we invest in things like this. That's why this matters, and it's such an impressive renovation that now looks vibrant, is a part of an urban core that is on the rise, and we're so happy to be a partner in it.